Hey everybody, what we're doing here in this video is we built this metal frame out of an old trailer that I had, part of a trailer frame at school back a few months ago, and me and Clayton's getting it set in place. What we're going to do is use it for a frame to build a deck for our pool, and we'll get this set in place. Put post in to hold it up, and then we'll build off of this to finish our pool deck out. So what we did, we just chained up two tractors. Clayton's on the BX and I'm on the Farmtrac, and it was too narrow because of our between our house and our dish for our TV to get anything bigger through there. So BX worked real good. We just come down through the yard, and I pulled down the hill, and he just followed me, and then he led and took us back up through beside the house, which you'll see here in just a second. So we just took it slow and easy so we could stay in unison with each other. He was able to, where the BX is hydrostatic, to kind of just maintain his speed. According to mine, we didn't have the frame balanced real good at this point. When we got ready to set it and get it leveled up, we could re-hook and repositioned a little bit, but I was afraid to get too fast and pull on him, maybe make him rear up or something. But I was kind of surprised the BX did that good with the boom pole, sticking out behind it without rearing up. Right there you can see he didn't have it raised up hardly high enough, but I told him I could get it real high off the ground. Didn't want to take a chance on it. Rearing up on it. What we did right here, we just set it, got it positioned and squared up with the house and set the frame on the ground. I already had post brackets welded in, and he painted the spot in the ground, and then we dug the holes and put the post on the frame and set it back in there. Right here are some pictures of our finished product almost. We got to do railings and some things, but it's turning out pretty good. Hey, Ben here with K&H Tractors. I just wanted to thank y'all for watching, and if you will, please like and subscribe, comment, and share. Have a good one.